family. Yeah, yeah. The Curtis 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 family. The Curtis family. Yeah, yeah. The Curtis family. Yeah, yeah. The Curtis family. Yeah, yeah. The Curtis family. The Curtis family. Yeah, yeah. The Curtis family. Yeah, yeah.
What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. It's the Curtis family. Today, we're making edible slime with my daughter and my son. This is Snow. And Jesus. Jesus, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so before we get into this, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you know when we have another video coming up. So let's get started. I think I lost somebody. So to make edible slime, you're gonna need some condensed milk, some corn starch, and a spoon.
And chocolate.
Yes, and some chocolate.
And another chocolate.
What you making? What y'all doing?
We're making edible slime.
Oh, you're making edible slime, Jesus?
La.
Okay, so let's get started. You ready to help, Jesus?
Yeah.
Cut on. Now, kids, make sure you have an adult parent to help you do this.
Yeah.
Let's make this slime.
I'm gonna
First,
put the book.
no. First, you're gonna put the condensed milk. Pick this up, Snowy.
Okay.
Show them what you're putting in here. This is the condensed milk. You're gonna put that first.
Wait.
Here. Pour that in there. Pour it all in there. Wait, no, not
Wait,
yet.
Jesus.
He is so excited, you guys. He is ready to put everything in there.
There.
Is that all the condensed milk?
Yep.
Okay, you all in my big thing.
Oh, no, wait. Mommy.
So, excuse you.
Mommy.
Oh,
So, we're
you
gonna
don't need
use your
it.
spoon to make sure you get it all out. No.
No, that.
Okay, Jesus. You wanna get some chocolate?
Yeah.
no, this is
Wait until we're gonna warm it up first a little bit.
Wait, Mom.
But you can put a little chocolate in here. So we're gonna use some of this baked milk chocolate chips for Jesus.
Can I put it in there? Put it in there.
Come on.
Ooh, it's not mixing anymore. Yay. Okay.
And put some of the chocolate. Okay, so we're putting these chips in here. As I told you guys, we're gonna try to get a couple bit. They kind of done melted on us. So let's put some of those chocolate Hershey's. Put some of those in there.
Okay.
Jesus, put some in there.
Huh?
Put some of those chocolates in there.
Chocolate?
Yeah, chocolate.
Okay, yummy chocolate.
Put them all in there.
Take the paper off.
Yes.
We're gonna put this chocolate
Ow.
in here. Guys.
Here you go.
So much chocolate.
You want to put it in?
Sorry about
You
that.
break them down or just...
Let's put them in there. They're gonna melt.
Really milk. I got this. One.
Oh my God! I wish I could smell this chocolate. It smells so
Mommy, I put it in the bowl.
good. You put it in a bowl. Yes, you did, baby.
Oh.
Throw this in the trash. Make it easy for me to clean up.
Mommy, can you go in the trash?
Yeah, I can throw it in the trash. Thank you.
It's your turn, Jesus.
Okay, so we're getting this to warm up. What we want it to do. So as it's starting to warm, it's going to melt.
Yuppie milk.
It's melting, as you can see.
Yup.
And it's turning all chocolate.
Yeah. I just want to pick up the see you guys it's how it's already melting.
Yeah. It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Really hot.
Oh, it's melting. We're just gonna keep stirring and stirring
And I'm
until it gets nice and melty.
yeah.
Nice and melty, you guys.
So melting.
Like I said, make sure you have a parent to help you do this.
Yeah, and help us. Really don't die.
So it's something that the kids can play with and they can eat too. It's edible.
Yeah, you don't die. Yeah.
You ready to make this little edible?
Yeah.
You ready to play with it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How is the milk?
It's
How
melting.
happy will make snowy, mommy.
Oh,
Sorry, mommy.
it's okay, babe.
How did it feel milk, mommy? What's that?
Where how it's melting from the condensed milk and chocolate melts anyway. So this is going to help it melt.
How it milk for days?
From the heat.
Yeah, the heat makes it melt.
Yeah. And how is it on this slime?
How it's going to turn into slime? I'm going to show you how. How it's going to turn into slime. You just got to get this to melt really good first.
Yeah.
So you got to make sure you really melt this. Make sure it kind of bubbles so that it'll be right.
It is a done it.
No, it's not done yet.
That's smoky, baby. Don't.
So you're going to need a half a cup of cornstarch.
And I did it. And I do it.
This is the cornstarch. You need a half a cup of this
And I do it.
cornstarch.
Don't
Don't matter what kind of cornstarch. You can use whatever kind you want. All this stuff pretty much you have in your cabinet. So it's easy to do a crafty thing with your children.
Can I do it?
Not yet. Let it melt a little bit
Mommy,
more.
don't do it.
But you can hold it. Hold it. Hmm? So it's melting really nicely. Hold on, Jesus. Okay. Put the cornstarch in there. A little bit at a time. You could have mouth.
Sorry about that. Sorry, Mommy.
It's okay. So now we're going to just kind of mix this up.
It's gonna move.
We're making a mess. We're making a mess.
No, it's gonna rush, Mommy.
No, we're gonna do that when we get over here to the table.
It's yummy.
What's a bit yummy?
Yum, yum.
Yeah. So you can cut this off because you're mixing this.
Yep. And nobody get burned.
No, nobody gets burned.
It's burning. Only for Mommy. Stir it up.
Yes.
But this something. It's
Yes.
yeah. It's down.
So I'm gonna show you guys how thick it has gotten. My husband here.
Hey, YouTube.
Hi, with you. I want you. Daddy, we making slime.
Really?
Yeah. Yay!
Hey.
I'm making that guy. And you have more left.
Are we gonna put some nerds in there too?
Yep.
Oh, it's gonna be cool.
Yeah, you need it, Daddy.
So I'm gonna show you how it has thickened up. It's thick. It's really thick.
Oh,
Like this thick.
it's milk thick now.
So. Whew.
It's getting hot.
So now you still need more cornstarch.
Need more tortilla?
So we're going to transfer this into here.
Mommy.
So we're going to shake some of this cornstarch on here.
And I do it. And I do it.
Wait. So we're going to fold. Ooh,
That's the word.
I have to clean that up. But that's okay. We're going to have to fold this.
I said to do it. Daddy is that.
Yeah, baby. So we got to take this and fold it into the cornstarch.
Yuppie, yummy.
Mm.
It's time to milk.
See how thick it
Mommy,
is?
what is this one?
In a minute, Snow.
How about the Mavericks?
One.
You're gonna make sure you get all this goodness.
Is it hot yet? Hot!
Yeah, stay back.
Wow. Ew! Daddy. Mommy. It's gonna burn. Oh, it's gonna burn. Daddy.
Okay, so you wanna make sure you get this into here.
She thought, you just eat the chocolate.
It is hot.
What? Yeah.
Mhm. So you just wanna make sure you get this and quilt into this. We're making slime.
Yay!
Yeah. It's nice.
That's sweet.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yellows. And coated. Mommy,
Hmm?
coated this.
Hmm?
Oh. That's don't touch.
Hmm?
Then now. Can I put this in?
Not yet, no. So just make sure you keep till you get the consistency you need.
This is hard.
It's hot.
This
As you can see,
goes.
it's already looking like slime.
Yay! I just find it hot.
Mhm.
They need some more.
Jesus. Close that, please. When you have a 2-year-old, you know, they get into everything. Y'all gonna put everything you want to put in here.
Mom, can you both?
Hmm?
You want to? I think he's it's slime, Mommy.
Yeah. See? I just want y'all to see how it's becoming slime.
Night. Well, will you put this in here?
You gotta keep
That's
in a minute. Wait.
It's liquid chocolate.
It is. I'm making a mess.
Me.
I'm making super mess, y'all.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
Yeah.
Something for us to do. Jesus.
Who's that? Yay! Mommy,
Hmm?
I try.
Woo!
Okay, I like slime.
You like slime?
Yes, why, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it harder?
Can you believe?
Slime already.
This?
Let me put this in there. This. Nope. No, this. Nope.
Can you believe snow?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Huh?
Out the cabinet, please.
Coffee. Okay, oh, Mommy.
So you want to keep going, and you add as much cornstarch as you need, so you get the consistency that you want. You know, you want to get the consistency that you want.
What?
And it smells so chocolatey, you guys.
Chocolate? It's okay. Chocolate again, okay.
Mhm.
This hot? Okay, bye. Bye-bye.
No bye yet.
Oh, man. Thank you, bye. My favorite bye-bye.
Oh.
It's slime already, guys.
Mhm. Let me show you guys. teen mom. So, you guys, I've been a mom since I was a teenager. So, you know, I know it's hard out there for you children. And I've been married
Mommy, can I touch it?
since I was a teenager.
Can I touch it? Can I touch it, Mommy?
Go ahead, now you can help. It's not so hot. So, when I was a teen, I became pregnant, 16, with my first son. I have 6 kids now. I got married at 16 to my lovely husband that you saw, who came in here, who was teen parents and married. And 16 years later, look at us. We're still here.
Look.
God's blessing us. So, I want to tell you a little bit about us. Go ahead, mix it up, baby. I'm letting her do that. We have my husband has a transportation company. It's called Curtis Transportation Limited. Every year we give away turkeys and toys to kids.
Yeah.
We do this all out of our own pockets every year. We were sweethearts in high school. We're both from Dallas. And we're both very kind-hearted. We love to give because I think because we have went through trials and tribulations, being teen parents, learning to grow together as kids, you know, having to grow up. It wasn't being a child anymore, it was being a grown-up. We are getting ready. We already start preparing. Because, you know, I told you we give out free turkeys to families who are in need.
That's right.
And last year we gave out the whole turkey meals. We gave out turkeys, insides, and we raffled a free room. So, yeah, that's good. So that's what we be doing. You know, we have my oats. So I want you guys to see this.
You need to mix it up.
You see that? Slime.
Yep.
You got slime, you guys?
You see the slime, guys?
Yeah. So, since we've been through so much trial and tribulation, I named my son Jesus. The little baby I got here. Come here. I named him Jesus. So, this is Jesus.
Hi.
God blessed me with this joy. And he's such a joy. Look, Jesus.
Ugh.
So, we're going to take this over here so they can do whatever they want to do with the slime. So, give me a second so I can adjust the camera. Okay, you guys. So, I have to move everything around. So, we have the slime here. I want to show you how it looks. You guys can go ahead and play in it.
Okay.
Huh? Chocolate. We just made slime. I got a little coconut on my hand so that it don't stick to my hand.
Yeah.
So I put a little coconut oil. It smells so good. I'm gonna come look like a cookie, don't it, you guys?
Yeah, guys.
But it's slime. So, let your kids do whatever. They can make a snowman. They can do whatever they want to do with this slime. Let them play with it.
Okay.
They can put nerds. Want to put some nerds? Yeah, on it.
Mom, put it in both. Let me do it. Let me do it.
Put some on yours.
That's too
No,
much.
not all of it, but okay.
I'm gonna make a snowman eye.
Okay. My son want to put it all on there.
I'm gonna make a mouth.
Want to make a snowman?
Huh?
So, as I told y'all, I was a teen parent at 16.
Santa
we
Claus.
have
I put Santa
came a
Claus.
long way.
Make Santa Claus.
No, everyone has trials and tribulations.
And I put the ankles with
Look, here's this.
snowman. Snowman.
Get to roll this up. And my oldest son name is Robert, after his father.
Uh-oh.
And he plays basketball. He's really good at it too.
Yeah, and I'm ruining it. Like a snowman.
And these two last ones are my babies. They're little brats. They get everything they want.
Yeah.
They all do though. Look.
Oh, snowman.
Do you want to build a snowman?
No,
No, Anna. As I told you before, guys, my husband has a truck company called Curtis Transportation, and every year,
snowman. So
every Thanksgiving,
yeah.
like clockwise, we give out free turkeys to families. We have given out free turkeys. We gave out a hotel room. We do a lot of things. We always give.
Snowman.
We always give because you know what? No one never
Stop
gave
it.
us,
You
know,
can be
anything.
snowman.
We worked hard for everything, and I think we just wanted, we want to give the help that we wish we would have gotten.
Oh, Jesus.
Look. Now you put the look.
Hey. Mommy, look. I'm being a snowman.
They give them some eyes.
Look. I need a forehead and make it bigger.
Really?
Yeah.
You need some eyes.
Yeah.
Give them some eyes.
Yeah, I just need some eyes.
So
My snowman.
you can put sprinkles all over them if you want.
It's sprinkles.
And your kids can eat this if you want them to.
It's
It's edible. Most little kids like to put everything in their mouth. So we do this
funny.
because he likes to put everything in his mouth. Because it's the best way.
Ew, this is hard.
It's kind of hard, isn't it?
Yeah. I need to make a snowman.
You making a snowman?
Yeah, and I make
I
it a
just wanted to show
snowman. Come on, Olive. Come play.
So
Okay, bye.
I have a question. What y'all think about the WAP video with Megan Stallion and Carly B? Child. They was extra. They was twerking with the slitting, doing all kind of stuff. But them lyrics, baby, make you want to close your ears. Do you
Okay.
hear me?
I didn't make it with a boy.
But did you see about Megan? She went on Instagram today talking about her shooting. She finally came out and said Tory Lanez shot her. She said they was arguing. Ooh, good job, Jesus. High five. Boom.
Boom.
So they was arguing in the car with her friend, and his bodyguard. And they were arguing in the car.
Okay. now I
And
need some
she was
eyes.
sitting in the front, and they was in the back. And she said she got out the car,
You make it for my eyes.
walked away from the car, and he shot out the car and hit her in both of her feet.
They need a mouth.
That's a lot of tea, y'all. That's a lot of tea.
There's a teeth.
I just think you should,
There's for some teeth in him.
if feel that someone is crazy and reckless, don't even argue back with them. Just go on and go. You got to use your big girl brain.
There.
I just feel bad that it happened to her because it's not right. And shouldn't nobody be saying she's lying about anything.
Mommy, I'm making on the.
Because she's just wanting to not tell it and stick to the code, But
Mommy,
I'll let y'all know a little bit about me.
Mommy, Jesus were my snowman.
And I would love to know a little bit about y'all. So just leave it in my comments.
That is not.
And let me know what you thought of the video.
Mommy.
A little bit about
y'all. Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy, Jesus wearing my snowman. Look.
Okay, well, it's okay. Make another one. Well, let me show you their little correction.
I'm
Supposed to be a snowman, I guess.
I swear.
So we're gonna get out of this video. Well, thank you for watching us. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you at the next video. Curtis Family's out. Peace. Say peace, you guys.
Peace.
Say peace, Jesus.
Peace.
We out.